integrity of the cell is very critical for the health of the body. Extremely critical. Because healthy cells equal healthy tissues, equal healthy organs, equals a healthy body. Well, we got some good news. We have one solution. Because as you all already know, 2 ounces give you 8 to 10 servings of fruits and vegetables, and you can do what you want to do without having to stop and just take it out your pocket and just go ahead and you got it. So, as they've talked about and everybody knows, it's made up of black cumin, made of black raspberry, Chardonnay grape, and D-ribose. Let's just look at a couple of these. Let's start out with black cumin. We've already talked about what black cumin seed does, and there's so much that we just can't cover it all here. It's great, it's wonderful, it's powerful, it's anti-inflammatory, it's cardioprotective, and I don't think they've said it today, but you probably already know, it's 281 times more potent than aspirin for its anti-inflammatory properties without the side effects. Why is that important? Well, if anybody's looking at anything nowadays about medicine, you know, or should know, that the leading cause of diseases, in period, and we're talking all diseases, is chronic inflammation. And you have something that fights that. Core and soul, on a daily basis, will lead to health in the cell, health in the tissue, health in the organs, and health in the body.
In my professional life, I've come to know many different supplement companies. I choose to only work with those people of integrity. I know the gentlemen that are at the helm of Rain International, and they are considered to be men of integrity. They are formulating exactly what they have set out to do. I know they have a person's health in mind as their first priority. There are opportunities, I know, with Rain International being the matrix, the way they have designed it, if people choose to distribute it themselves. But the good feeling that a person can get out of this is that it's a good product that can promote good health. It's an anti-inflammatory product. It can provide a person with all the essential components in their diet if their foods will not provide it for them. So the company is a company of integrity and good people and people that can be trusted.